So I had a bunch of people the other day talking about Facebook and Instagram, how to use it, and when to allow your clients to be a part of that community. Should I allow my Facebook friends to also be my clients? Should I allow my clients to friend me there? Should I friend them? Hi, it's Bill Herman with Creative License. Of course, our sponsor is Electro Voice, the greatest speaker company in the world, and of course, the entertainment experience, the workshop that I put on every year. So, what do I think of that? Well, I guess it really depends on the brand that you have. My brand is that I'm very personal. Okay, the people who hire me and want to be a part of my company want to become my friends. They like me for the personality that I have and the friendship that I've created with them. So it's just natural that they would want to be friends with me on Facebook. So I'm okay with that. Here's the thing though, if you're going to allow people to be a friend with you on Facebook, you need to be sure that your Facebook is not filled with a bunch of stuff that may be offensive to them. Or that they don't understand, or they won't agree with. You really want to try to stick with the old rule, the old bartender's rule, don't talk about politics or religion, okay? That's one thing. Plus, you don't put anything on your Facebook page that you wouldn't want your grandmother to see, okay? If you had that kind of a Facebook page or that kind of an Instagram thing, then enjoying being friends with your clients is not that big of a deal. That's what I think. If you're not that person, if you want to be crazy on Instagram or on Facebook, well then, I'd have my own personal page that I send only to the people who really, really know me, and then I have something for business. People have different opinions on this, but it really depends on how they come at it. That's where the opinions differ. What do you think of this? How do you handle this one? I'd love to know what you think. Put it in the comments below and let me know. Until next time, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.